So alright guys, in this video we'll be doing the blog room from Tryhackme. As you can see, the symbol says it's running WordPress and the IP address is 10.10.93.115, and I have already run the nmap scan to save some time. And you guys can see SSH port is open and web server port is open. So it's running Apache 2429 and 139.445. So let's enumerate for SMB shares. So there are few rabbit holes in this box, so let's view them also. SMB map, and the host IP is this one. Meanwhile, let's open the web browser. It takes some time. So you can see the print no access, and we have read write access to Billy SMB. So let's use SMB client for backward slashes and then Billy SMB. Meanwhile, let's go to the browser and open this website. So it says a note from mom and hi Billy. So we can get some information here. Billy Joel, so that is the username, and we have the login page. So this should be running the WordPress. To confirm that, press Ctrl U for the source code and search for generator, and here you can see WordPress 5. So WordPress 5, that should be kept in mind. Now we have connected to this Billy SMB and directory. Addis white rabbit, check this. So these are the rabbit holes. I have already got this. Check this. Where is this? Check this. Oh, check this. So if you go to this open file manager, and if you go to this, check this. So it's a QR code. If you decode it, and you will get the YouTube link, which leads to some normal music video. So it's a rabbit hole. So you can try this out, and you can also apply the strings. You will not get much juicy information. So this is the rabbit hole. You will not find any of the information. So let's exit this one. So now it's loading the login page. So meanwhile, let's run the WP scan. Let's enumerate for we can also use first let's check manually the users. WP JSON, WP version 2 users. Okay, first is Billy Joel and its username is B Joel, and second one is Karen Wheeler and the username is K Wheel. So let's go to blog.thm. So it's redirecting to blog.thm. So you need to edit the host file. So in Tryhackme, every time you start a machine, the IP changes. It's not a static IP. So paste this IP address and followed by blog.thm. Now save this. Now if you refresh this, you should see. Okay, now we have the two users, B Joel and Karen Wheeler, and we have the WordPress 5 as a version. Why it's not loading? Or okay, let's click again. Let's open again login page. So now you can see we have the login page. it's a bjoel and password is WordPress, and hit enter. So you can see here it says the password you entered for the username bjoel is incorrect. Let's try admin WordPress. Now it says invalid username, and we have another user, that is Karen Wheeler, and username is kwheel. And you can see the password you entered for the username kwheel is incorrect. So there are only two users, bjoel and kwheel. Okay, if you have like this error message, it's worth trying for SQL injection. So if this corrects, then you can say that it's prone to SQL injection. So invalid username, let's try for, and true. Let's say hash admin. So invalid, so it's not prone to SQL injection. So it's also worth checking for this SQL injection. So we know the users. Now you can enumerate only for plugins and themes. So let's try for XML RPC, whether okay, XML RPC.php. So XML RPC server accepts post requests only. So you can brute force the username and the passwords using this XML RPC. So let's clear the screen. WP scan, password attack is XML RPC, and the username is bjoel. So I have tried for the bjoel and we did not get any password. Let's try for kwheel, and the password list I'm using is rocky.txt. Okay, the password is the password is qtpy1. So I'm going to show you this home carry to source list. Okay, and grep exact match for qtpy1. So after 2800 requests, you will get this as a success. So I'm not going to hit enter, it takes a lot of time. So you can use this WP scan, or what you can do is you can intercept the request and you can use wfs or Hydra for the login brute forcing. So for now I'm skipping this brute force method. So the password is qtpy1. So let's remember me and login. So we have the dashboard, and it's not an admin user, you cannot edit the themes. So you can add media, add new. So let's select some files. Let's say temp.php file. Let me cd tools. So it says has upload to failed. So okay, let's first search Sprite WordPress 5. So we came to know the version is WordPress 5 from the generator. So I have got few exploits here. WordPress 5 exploit. So one is image remote code execution, another one is crop image shell upload. So this one worked because even when you upload an image, it's being cropped to some small size and the data has been truncated. So this has the Metasploit module and it's somewhat quite complex. So let's use Metasploit for this. Let's try for crop image exploit site github.com. So I did not search like this. Okay, we have got some exploit here. So let's go and try this one also. Yeah, when I'm doing this box I did not try this. Let's see, RCU image code. So it's image code execution, it's not this one. Okay, we are not getting any Python scripts. Okay, let's use Metasploit for this. Search for WordPress 5. Okay, we have got so many. Let's say image crop, and you can see there is only one. Let's use this. Okay, set global or host. What the IP address? Set username kv and set password qtpy1. Show options. Set lhost to the 10.0 IP address, and I think everything has been set. Now run this. So now you can see that WP scan completed. It came only with the themes, no plugins found. So if you have the admin access, you can edit the themes and get a reversal. So uploads has been directory listed. So you can upload any of the files here. I think Metasploit uploads. So we got the metadata session. So let's execute the shell. So who am I? We are data pwd ls cat wp config.php. So it's still WordPress user. So this password I have tried to log in for the normal user, ls home. It did not work out. So cd home ls cdbgol. So here this is the rabbit hole. I will show you. Let's my RTO. Where is this PDF? Okay, it's temp.pdf. So this is letter is to inform you that rubber ducky ink will end effective immediately on this date. So rubber ducky is a USB which you can modify the code and you can auto run the script whenever the USB has been plugged in. So to this is the rabbit hole. First I spent so much time for this. So ls blk, and if you say ls dev x vda1, so it's nothing. So this is a rabbit hole. So let's find for sweet binaries. So you can see there is a one binary card checker. So let's run this one. It says not an admin. So we don't know what it's actually doing. Let's run the strings. So we have so many strings. So first it's setting the user ID and then printing something. Then it is getting the environment variable and it is called in the system. So let's run the trace to get much more information. So first it's checking the get env of admin. So there is nothing, so that's why it is jumping to not an admin and it's exiting. So we need to set the variable admin. Set admin is equals to say normal value root, and we need to export this admin. Now let's run this. Not an admin. Set variable is equals to value and then exporting the value, or we can say export admin is equals to admin. Now I think it worked. Who am I? Root. So you can see now we got the root shell. So this there should be an environment variable named admin, then it is spawning this root shell. cd root.txt, and you can also get the user.txt. Okay, now it says you won't find what you are looking for here. What you can do is find file name is file type iname star.txt and owned by the user be Joel. So this should do fine. Or we can just simply say we know the file name, right? Name user.txt. So you can see this is the one cat, and you get the content.